guys, my name is Manas Vichare and welcome to my channel Akash Ganga. If you don't know what type of videos do I upload, then for your information, I upload videos related to astronomy and cover all aspects in astronomy, including astrophysics, observational astronomy, um, and astronomy in the IT world. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications about my other videos. So let's start. One aspect of astronomy which fascinates even a layman is stargazing. A layman loves to see just the night view studded with stars. But for beginners who see night sky for information related to for gaining information related to constellations, stars, pulsars, clusters, nebulae, etc., they need a source of information to guide them for pursuing their passion. In today's world of technology, we have apps to help us. So today I have an app for you which is very informative and easy to use. It is a astronomy related app named Sky Maps. First we have to install this app, and the first step is click on the Play Store. And so I have already installed this app, and this is a very good app which has a rating of 4.2, and there is no negative comments. All comments, as you can see, are really are um, are very good. Let's open this app and understand the details related to it. So here is the app. Now it is on automatic mode. So as I rotate the my phone or move my phone, the you can see the entire space, including the constellations, planets, clusters, and all. So here, and when you set this on manual mode by clicking on this hand over here, then it is you can move the globe by your hands, by the touch. And now I'm converting it to automatic mode. So here it has options over here. So if you want to see specifically only the constellation, so you can remove all this stuff and just have the constellations over here. So now you can see there are only the constellations. So I will convert it to the normal mode. Yeah. So the graphics are quite good, as you can see, and it is a good guide for the beginners in astronomy. Now we'll see the other features. So during the night, it also has the night mode. So as you can see, everything has turned orange. So this is the night mode. You can switch back to the day mode. Then if in this clutter you are not getting any sort of planet, let's say you are not getting Jupiter, so here is the search option. You can search for, let's say, Jupiter. So here the option comes, so you click on this and it directs you towards the location. And once you reach Jupiter, so here you can see Jupiter is there. Yeah, so here Jupiter is there. So you can check out with this planet, and once you are done, you have to click on this cross button, and here you go back. So the other facilities are there. You have settings, gallery, time travel. You can calibrate, diagnostics, help, terms of services. So first we'll go to the gallery. The settings are just normal, still we'll see them. So enable sound, location settings, sensor experts, And then you have the gallery. So in this gallery you have various planets like Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. And when you click on one of the planets, let's say Uranus, so you get the image of Uranus. And when you click on find in sky, then it again directs you towards the location of Uranus. And when you reach over there, then again the circle grows and you are there. So I'll click on the cross option. Yeah. And here we have time travel. So what exactly time travel is, how will the night sky be tomorrow, day after tomorrow, how was it before yesterday, day before yesterday. So we'll try. So here there are some options. So we'll try next morning sunrise. So how will the night sky be? So here I click on go. So this is how the night sky will be. The positions of planets and the constellations have changed. And once you click, so this is the time. You can change the time back and forth. Once you click on cross, then you are back to present, as you saw. Then we have calibrate. So here you have a compass accuracy. Your phone is so you can calibrate a compass. So for now I will not do it, but when you click on OK, then it calibrates. Click on the back. Now our next option is diagnostics. So here are gyroscope, rotation, the compass, how when you move, then the variables or the coordinates changed. The Android version is shown, sky map version is shown. Then other information is given. The sensors are light sensors, matrix sensors, rotation sensors. So they change, the coordinates change. Accelerometer are the various sensors. Then we have help and term service, so that's no need to see. So here you also have directions, east. Then you have the west direction and the south direction, and also the nadir and zenith are also mentioned over here. So this is a very easy to use app. Anyone can handle it. The locations of the constellations are correct, and they are easily visible. No complications are there. So this is how it works. So it's a very easy to use app. And it also occupies very less storage space. Let me see what storage it is. So just a second. So it is mostly 5 to 6 MBs. When I installed it, I had already seen the storage space. So it is 5 to 6 MB. So not it does not occupy a lot of storage space. Easy to install, good for your knowledge. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel. Share this video to your family and friends, so they also will get to see such they will also get to download such app if they are uh, astronomy fad, or even if they like the night sky. As I said before, a layman also likes the night sky. So thank you, guys. Thank you so much.